Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Sumone app. First, download it from your app store. Once installed, you and your partner will connect your accounts using a special code. Next, choose your Sumone time, which is when you'll receive your daily question. Finally, answer the initial question together to begin your shared journey. This simple setup takes just a few minutes. Every day at your chosen Sumone time, you and your partner will receive a new question. It's a fun way to learn more about each other. Remember, you both need to answer before either of you can see the other's response, adding a little anticipation. Your honest answers also help your adorable virtual pet, Eggmon, grow and transform. Don't forget to select your daily emotion after answering. As you use the app, you'll collect pebbles, the in-app currency, by answering questions and caring for Eggmon. These pebbles can be used to decorate Eggmon's room with various charming themes and items, making your shared space truly unique. You can also track important relationship milestones, like your anniversary, and even send sweet, personalized notes to your partner that pop up on their screen. The Sumone app is designed to foster deeper connection. The daily questions encourage meaningful conversations, helping you discover new insights into your partner's thoughts and feelings. You can review your shared journey and emotions in the monthly Haku diary. By consistently engaging and caring for your virtual pet, Eggmon, you and your partner will strengthen your bond and create lasting, cherished memories together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.